2020 will be a year we'll always remember because you never forgot about us. We faced many challenges this year, but we did it together. Because of you, our frontline heroes stayed strong, and your generous donations of PPE helped them stay safe. When we masked up, you did too. And when we were forced to limit our number of visitors, you understood and made the best of it. You lifted us up and made us smile. You sent cards and letters reminding us to keep going. And you donated to ensure our patients and families had everything they needed. Thank you for supporting Cook Children's. We're honored to serve you.